Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create multiple YouTube channel with just one Gmail account. So the first thing you need to do is go to YouTube. Then you click on youtube.com. And after it's finished loading, you go to the top right hand corner of your screen where you find your image. So when you get to this point, you need to scroll down and go to settings. So at this point, you have options, your YouTube channel, change channel status and feature, add or manage your channel, view advanced settings. So we are going to click on add or manage your channels. So you'll be taken to this window. In this window, you can see the channels that I have. I have Norman MJ Shorts, Norman MJ, just tech stuff with no subscriber. So to create a new channel, you just need to create a new channel. The next thing you need to do is to add what you want your channel to be called. For example, I want my new channel to be called Norman MJ Lifestyle. We're going to click on create. At this point, you'll be asked to verify your account. So in most cases, you might not get this window, but if it is required, all you need to do is input your phone number and you receive a confirmation or verification code in less than 30 seconds. So I have received mine right now and I'm just going to input the numbers 72129. So after that, you click continue. As soon as you've done that, your new YouTube channel is created. So all you just need to do next is go to customize channel, and when you open the window to customize your channel, you'll be welcome, hello new YouTube studio, goodbye classic studio. So at this point, you go to branding. Here you can add um, the image you want people to see when they see your channel, and also a banner for your channel. So this is all for this tutorial. This is how you can create your YouTube channel or have multiple YouTube channel with just one Gmail account. See you in my next video.